Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best LED work lights that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Hoplite rechargeable work light. This compact and portable work light is perfect for those quick repair jobs or emergency situations. With its 360 degrees vertical and 180 degrees horizontal rotation design, you can easily adjust the angle to illuminate hard-to-reach areas. The foldable design makes it easy to carry around, and the built-in 5000 mAh rechargeable battery provides reliable power. Plus, it doubles as a power bank to charge your phone or other devices, making it highly versatile. The advanced lighting setup in this product includes 3 light sources: a white light bar, warm light bar, and a front flashlight, allowing you to customize your illumination according to your needs. With stepless brightness adjustment, you can fine-tune the intensity to suit your environment. The solid aluminum alloy construction ensures durability, and the strong magnetic base means you can securely attach it to metal surfaces for hands-free operation. However, with a maximum brightness of 1200 lumens, it's not designed for large-scale job sites, but excels in smaller, focused tasks. If you're looking for a portable, rechargeable work light for car repairs, DIY projects, or emergency preparedness, the Hoplite offers great value. The major downside is its limited brightness compared to larger tripod-style work lights. But for its intended use cases, it's a solid performer, packed with convenient features. At rank number 4, we have the LZ Home Hexagon LED Garage Light, a standout product for high-quality indoor lighting. Designed specifically for garages, basements, and workshops, this unique hexagonal light system delivers a whopping 26,400 lumens of brightness, making it the brightest option on our list. The 5000 K color temperature provides natural daylight-like illumination, which is ideal for tasks like car detailing or precision work. The design is both practical and visually striking, with larger light-emitting surfaces that soften the light while maintaining high brightness levels. Safety is a major focus, with deep-set 3-pin connectors that eliminate the risk of electric shock during installation. The PC material construction is lightweight yet durable, ensuring long-term performance. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included connectors, power cables, and accessories, making it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts who want to customize their lighting setup. However, this product is limited to indoor use, and its ceiling-mounted design means it lacks portability. If you're looking to upgrade your workshop or garage with a stylish and powerful lighting solution, the LZ Home Hexagon LED Garage Light is a fantastic pick. It's perfect for professional car care or hobby setups, but may not be suitable for outdoor or portable applications. The 2-year warranty adds peace of mind, making this a reliable long-term investment. Landing at rank number 3 is the Soarfly upgraded LED work lights with stand. This work light packs an impressive 21,000 lumens of brightness with a 6500 K color temperature, providing crisp, pure white light for a variety of tasks. It's ideal for construction sites, garage lighting, and workshops, thanks to its adjustable telescoping tripod and detachable light heads. The foldable design makes it easy to transport and store, while the 360-degree rotation enables you to focus light precisely where it's needed. Built with durability in mind, the Soarfly is constructed from tempered glass and metal tubing, ensuring it can withstand tough environments. The IP66 waterproof rating means it's suitable for outdoor use, even in rainy or dusty conditions. The 16.5-foot power cord offers a decent range, though it could be restrictive for larger job sites. While the brightness is excellent, it doesn't come with remote control or adjustable color temperatures, which some users may find limiting. Overall, the Soarfly is a great middle ground option for professionals and DIYers who need a reliable work light for both indoor and outdoor tasks. Its sturdy build and high brightness make it a dependable choice, but it falls short in versatility compared to some higher-ranked options. Coming in at rank number 2 is the Subi 32,000 lumen LED work light with stand and remote. This product goes above and beyond by offering 4 adjustable LED heads with an astounding 32,000 lumens of brightness, making it the most powerful option on our list for large job sites. The included remote control adds convenience, allowing you to switch between 4 color temperatures, 3000K to 6000K, and adjust brightness levels from afar, reducing eye strain and optimizing visibility for specific tasks. The heavy-duty metal tripod provides excellent stability, and the telescoping design allows you to adjust the height for optimal coverage. The detachable light heads offer flexibility, enabling you to use them independently. Constructed from die-cast aluminum housing and tempered glass, this work light is built to last, with an IP66 rating for waterproof and dust-proof performance. However, the product does have a few drawbacks, such as its heavier weight and higher price point. Additionally, while the remote control is a great feature, AAA batteries for it are not included. If you need a work light for large-scale projects, outdoor construction, or industrial settings, the SUB LED work light is hard to beat. Its unmatched brightness and versatile controls make it a premium option, but it may be overkill for casual users or smaller tasks. Taking the number 1 spot is the Zettenlow 21,000 lumen LED work lights with stand. This product strikes the perfect balance between brightness, portability, and durability. Offering 21,000 lumens of natural white light at 6500K, it provides excellent visibility for both indoor and outdoor applications. The 78.7-inch telescoping tripod is highly adjustable, while the detachable light heads add versatility, letting you use them separately or mounted on the tripod. The 16-foot power cord ensures a wider range of usage, making it suitable for construction sites, garages, workshops, and even outdoor camping. The design stands out with its rotating locking knobs and twist locking collars, allowing tool-free adjustments for quick setup. The die-cast aluminum housing and tempered glass lenses enhance durability, while the IP66 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in tough environments. The product weighs only 2 pounds, making it surprisingly lightweight for its size and brightness. Despite lacking advanced features like remote control or adjustable color temperatures, its simplicity and reliability make it a top contender. For professionals and DIYers looking for a dependable, high-performance work light, the Zettenlow LED work light is an excellent choice. Its combination of brightness, portability, and rugged build quality makes it the best overall option on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.